Well, tradition today, it's after the garden lamps lit up, and this lamp fixture there, garden lamp rigged up, wired up, 125 watt mercury vapour lamp, and the second one here, LED floodlight. And the second floodlight, and that's the power supply coming from the trip switch box, and this is the second one down here. Second one down here, and the 125 watt mercury vapour is actually running off a gear tray. That's the full brightness you could get. And it's rigged off to, that's the gear tray from off the 100 mercury vapour. And there's coming out the switches there. That's obliged.